Hi, I'm Josh, and today I'm going to show you how to make mango chili chicken from scratch. Before I begin, please take a second to subscribe and like. Thanks. To make base-free mango chili chicken, you will need the following: 3 tablespoons of vegetable oil, half a large onion chopped very finely or grated, 2 teaspoons of garlic and ginger paste, 2 to 3 bird's eye chilies sliced, 1 tablespoon of mixed powder or curry powder, 3/4 of a teaspoon of coriander powder and cumin seeds, half a teaspoon of chili powder, cardamom powder and tandoori powder, 1/4 of a teaspoon of turmeric powder and salt, 250 millilitres of boiling hot water, 1/4 of a teaspoon of fenugreek leaves or kasoori methi, 2 tablespoons of coconut milk powder, 2 tablespoons of smooth mango chutney, 1 teaspoon of sugar, half a ripe mango cut into chunks as small as required, 1 teaspoon of white vinegar, 200 grams of meat, vegetables, paneer or tofu, and half a cup of fresh chopped coriander. Add the oil and onions to a pan and heat on low to medium until soft and beginning to brown. This may take around 5 minutes. Do not rush this part, as you'll simply end up with burnt onions. Turn up the heat and stir in the garlic and ginger paste and the chillies and cook for around 30 to 60 seconds. Add in the mixed powder, coriander powder, cumin seeds, chili powder, cardamom powder, tandoori powder, turmeric powder and salt, and stir in well. Add a little heated water and fry for a minute or two to form a paste. Remember to always add very hot water, otherwise you'll end up slowly boiling the spices rather than frying them. Add half of the hot water, mix through and fry for a further couple of minutes. Add the fenugreek leaves, coconut powder, mango chutney, sugar and the rest of the water. Mix well and cook for a further minute. Add in the mango, the vinegar and your choice of protein. Stir through and simmer for around 5 minutes. Only stir if it looks like the sauce is likely to burn. Bigger chunks will soften but remain solid. The smaller you chop up the mango, the more it will dissolve into the dish. Once almost ready, add in most of the coriander and stir through. Serve when the meat is cooked through and the sauce is the thickness you require, with a sprinkle of fresh coriander. Please remember to like, comment and subscribe, and check out this and many more recipes on my website at thecurrykid.co.uk.